Hey guys, it's Radiance. I am going to be working on fixing up my apartment for the next few weeks, and I really just wanted to document the whole journey. I'm going to split it up into a few different parts just to space things out, because obviously it's going to take a little bit of time for me to do this. I'm going to try to be as cost efficient as possible, so please keep that in mind. I'm not trying to get, forever home appliances and things like that. Just trying to get comfortable in a position where I can, support myself and still be able to fix it up. Luckily, I know a lot of people don't get this, but I do have a lot of support from my family, a lot of help from my family. Most of the things that we've done so far have been done ourselves because it's more cost efficient, and we also like to do things like this together. This is what I was intending on doing with my bus with the conversion, so this is another opportunity for me to explore something that I've always wanted to do. Also, quick update on the bus conversion, since some of you guys will probably know of it and know me from that. The bus conversion is being put on pause, unfortunately. I still have the bus. I'm going to keep the bus, but plans have just changed slightly. I'm thinking of creating a studio space with the bus now, as opposed to a livable space, just considering I'm trying to make the apartment a livable space. So I'm going to be putting a lot of funds and money into the apartment. So the bust is gonna have to be something done later. I do think that I will do it. I think that it's definitely gonna get done. I have no idea on the time frame of the bus. As far as the apartment though, I do think that I'll be able to get in within the next at least 2 weeks. I don't know if I'll be able to get everything over, but I'm thinking 2 weeks realistically. Carpet people will come out next week. They'll be here Tuesday. I do have to work that day, so I don't know if I will be able to get footage of them putting in the carpet, but carpet will be in next week, and then after next week I could potentially move in. But yeah, I'm getting super excited. It looks like a fresh apartment, and I just know that once the carpet gets put in, it's gonna be like almost eye-opening for me. The before and after is insane, to be honest. Like, even just seeing it just now with just the walls and the flooring, it's insane to me. Hey guys, so I'm up, about to work on doing the patch and paint. Probably just gonna do the patch right now. I don't know if I'm going to paint today or not, but I have a few places to patch. The previous tenant had a bunch of nails in the wall, like everywhere, so I'm gonna do that first. There's a bunch. And then hopefully we can start on painting. Okay guys, I just finished spackling the first wall. It took me maybe 20-25 minutes, so not bad, but I feel like I'm picking up in pace now since I know what I'm doing. So I have this wall, this wall, this one had a bunch, and then I have a kitchen that I can do, and then the bedroom. There's not a ton over here, and then there's the most over here, so yeah, this wall will be the longest probably. Yeah, I don't know why there's so many willy-nilly ones, but okay, bedroom will be fun. But back to it. I got everything spackled that I could see aside from like the curtain rod ones, because I don't know if I'm gonna replace the curtains or not yet. The rods, I mean, they work. Yeah, I'm burning up. I'm gonna turn this stuff off and then I will be out of here. All right, team, we made it. Day 2. Things are looking up. Ton of space for the living room, ton of bedroom space. Trying to replace the carpets and redo the floors because they're super outdated, and the previous tenant had an animal and now they look gross and disgusting. So yeah, those will be replaced. And then offer new decor, new appliances, new to me. And yeah, that's the search. Why is it $200 off? Or was that because of the special? Okay, it ends on 8/21. Okay, so this one, it has more functions and you can use hot water for it. This one, just pods and coffee. I don't think it has a water function. So what am I gonna do? You save $20 for $79.99 or $179.99. Save $70, and this ends tomorrow. Is it not so aesthetic? Is it like, no, it's just my brain or something. Love that. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for following. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will keep you guys updated as soon as we start pumping out stuff for the next video. Stay tuned. And you know, I'm so thankful, so grateful to be able to have this opportunity. You know, it's super difficult in this economy to do anything like this, to have your own place, to especially fix it up and invest money in it. And I could not be more excited. It's been stressful, it's been hectic, it's been days where I'm like just over there by myself doing stuff. It's been days where I've had, you know, the help of my family. I've had everyone, all hands on deck. It's been days when, you know, I've had to work and then come home and then work on it some more. And then the same thing with my parents and stuff. They've worked and then come home to help me work on it. And it's just, I really don't take any of it lightly or for granted. I have the best family to be honest. Like they're awesome. Thanks you guys for following and watching, and I hope you stick around for the rest of it because I'm sure it will be something fun once we get done with it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks guys for being here. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.